Hi friends, today we are going to see what's a volcano and how we are going to do an experiment to make it erupt. A volcano is an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash and gases escape. Beneath a volcano, liquid magma containing dissolved gases races through cracks in the earth's crust. As the magma rises, pressure decreases, allowing the gases to form bubbles. Okay friends, let's now start with the experiment. First, I took a paper plate and placed a top of the bottle to it. Then I added some clay all over it. Then I add some grass effects and made some then I made a mountain-like base for my volcano project. Now I'm going to show you the experiment. For that you need some vinegar. You need to add some vinegar. Then you will need some red food color for. Then I added 2 drops of red food color. Then I added some dishwash liquid. So you can add any dishwash liquid that's available at home. I'm adding a dishwash liquid now and mixing it with the structure nicely. And I'm now keeping it aside, and now I'm mixing it well and keeping it aside. Now I take my the project which I made. I'm adding some 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. So adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the structure of volcano mountain-like structure which I made. Now I added my baking soda. Now I'm going to add the mixture which we made, and I'm adding the mixture which we made with the red food color and vinegar. And look what is going to happen now. I'm adding it and look. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1 and go. Can you take a look? It's lava coming out from the mountain-like structure which we made. Look, it's like lava coming out. Okay friends, if you want you can even add some more drops of red food color so that it becomes in a darker color and the volcano looks real. You can even try this at home. And I would love to hear your comments and tell me how it came. So I'd love to hear your comments. Okay friends, end of video. Bye bye.